Have you ever finished a full meal and still felt hungry shortly after, or found yourself constantly thinking about food no matter how much you eat? Maybe you snack throughout the day, crave something sweet after every meal, or feel like your hunger just never really goes away. If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone, and more importantly, it's not just about willpower or discipline. Your hunger is controlled by a complex system in your body, and when that system is out of balance, it can make you feel hungry all the time, even when you've eaten enough. One of the biggest reasons people feel constantly hungry is because their meals are lacking protein. Protein is incredibly important when it comes to feeling full. It slows down digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and sends strong signals to your brain that you've eaten enough. When your meals are low in protein, your body doesn't fully register satisfaction, so it keeps pushing you to eat more. This is why you can eat a large bowl of pasta or a bunch of snacks and still feel like something is missing. Your body isn't just asking for more calories, it's asking for the right nutrients. Adding protein to every meal, even in moderate amounts, can make a huge difference in how long you stay full. Another major factor is the type of carbohydrates you're eating. Highly refined carbs like white bread, sugary snacks, and processed foods digest very quickly. They cause your blood sugar to spike rapidly, which gives you a short burst of energy, but then it drops just as quickly. That drop is what triggers hunger, cravings, and fatigue. It creates a cycle where you eat, feel okay for a little while, then suddenly feel hungry again. To break this cycle, it's important to pair carbs with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. This combination slows down digestion and keeps your blood sugar stable, which helps you feel satisfied for longer periods of time. Sleep is another powerful but often ignored factor. When you don't get enough sleep, your body's hunger hormones become unbalanced. Your body produces more ghrelin, which increases hunger, and less leptin, which signals fullness. This imbalance makes you feel hungrier than usual and more likely to crave high-calorie, sugary foods. Even 1 or 2 nights of poor sleep can noticeably increase your appetite. Over time, chronic sleep deprivation can make constant hunger feel normal. Improving your sleep quality and duration can have a surprisingly strong effect on reducing unnecessary hunger. Stress also plays a big role. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can increase appetite and specifically drive cravings for high-energy foods like sweets and fast food. This is because your body thinks it needs quick fuel to handle whatever challenge you're facing. The problem is that modern stress is often constant, not short-term, so your body stays in this state and keeps pushing you to eat more. Managing stress doesn't mean eliminating it completely, but even small changes like going for a walk, exercising, or taking short breaks can help reduce its impact on your hunger. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Hydration is something many people overlook. Sometimes what feels like hunger is actually thirst. Your body doesn't always clearly distinguish between the two, so you might reach for food when what you really need is water. If you're slightly dehydrated throughout the day, it can show up as frequent hunger signals. Drinking enough water consistently can help reduce these false hunger cues. A simple habit like having a glass of water before meals or when you feel sudden hunger can help you better understand what your body actually needs. The type of food you eat matters just as much as how much you eat. Highly processed foods are designed to be easy to consume and not very filling. They're often low in fiber and protein but high in calories, which means you can eat a lot without feeling satisfied. They also tend to be hyperpalatable, meaning they're engineered to make you want more. Whole foods, on the other hand, require more digestion, provide more nutrients, and help your body feel full. Foods like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts, and lean proteins naturally regulate your appetite much better than processed snacks. Another overlooked habit is how fast you eat. Your body needs time to recognize that it's full. If you eat very quickly, you can easily consume more food than you need before your brain catches up. This can leave you feeling unsatisfied or overly full, and it can confuse your hunger signals over time. Slowing down, chewing properly, and actually paying attention to your food can help you feel more satisfied with less. There's also a psychological side to hunger. Not all hunger is physical. Sometimes you eat because you're bored, stressed, or simply because it's part of your routine. For example, if you always eat while watching something, your brain starts associating that activity with food, even if you're not truly hungry. Over time, these habits become automatic. Becoming aware of these patterns can help you separate real hunger from emotional or habitual eating. Another important factor is restriction. If you've been dieting aggressively or not eating enough for a long time, your body will respond by increasing hunger signals. This is a natural survival mechanism. Your body doesn't know you're dieting on purpose. It just knows it's not getting enough energy. So it increases cravings, reduces feelings of fullness, and makes food more appealing. This often leads to cycles of restriction followed by overeating. Eating enough and focusing on balanced meals instead of extreme restriction helps stabilize your hunger in the long run. Hormones also play a role beyond just hunger hormones. Things like insulin sensitivity, especially if you're consuming a lot of sugar or processed foods, can affect how your body handles energy and hunger. When your body becomes less responsive to insulin, it can lead to more frequent hunger and cravings because your cells aren't efficiently using the energy you're consuming. Improving diet quality and staying active can help regulate this over time. Even your environment can influence how hungry you feel. Constant exposure to food, whether it's snacks around you, food advertisements, or just being in situations where food is always available, can trigger hunger even when your body doesn't actually need energy. Your brain responds to cues, not just physical need. Reducing unnecessary exposure or being mindful of these triggers can help reduce constant urges to eat. So if you feel like you're always hungry, it's not because something is wrong with you. It's usually a combination of factors working together. Your body is responding to what you're eating, how you're sleeping, how stressed you are, and the habits you've built over time. Once you start addressing these areas, you'll notice that your hunger becomes more predictable and easier to manage. The goal isn't to eliminate hunger completely, because hunger is a normal and important signal. The goal is to bring it back to a place where it actually reflects your body's needs instead of feeling constant and uncontrollable. By eating enough protein, choosing more whole foods, balancing your meals, staying hydrated, improving your sleep, managing stress, and becoming more aware of your habits, you can regain control. Your body isn't working against you. It's trying to guide you. And when you start listening to it the right way, you'll realize that feeling constantly hungry isn't something you have to live with. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.